So, now, going back dun sa mga advice na sinabi mo,
Mhm.
would you say na yung mindset as well is important dito sa Canada? And in your case, um, paano mo siya na-apply yung with the right mindset?
That's a good question. Kasi nung time na when I first started talaga siyempre hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin, 'di ba?
Mhm,
Yung parang, oh, naka-graduate ka, may degree ka, tapos punta ka dito, ay, yung degree mo hindi pala accepted,
mhm,
tapos wala ka ano. Um, you, the first thing that I did is you don't give up.
mhm,
You always think yourself that wag ka na, ah, hindi na ako gagawa ng ganito or ano. Pero there's a support system for you, but you really, it's with you to never give up
mhm,
on, set your goals, what
mhm,
you wanted to do. That's
mhm.
what I, that's one thing that I thought to myself.